Welcome to my studio. Changes ahead a little bit. I've been doing these videos from home mostly when I'm not traveling. I have a small office at home, and it's not good enough. You know, it's too small. There's a lot of echo in there. Echo, 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 echo. There's a lot of echo in here also, but I will fix that. I'm gonna put up a little stage somewhere for my videos where I, have my where I can talk to you guys from. So I have a consistent look, and I'm gonna use this week's video to show you a little bit of what I'm doing, where I'm going. I have an amazing schedule ahead of me. I'm going to Myanmar. I'm going to Bolivia. Try to make some interesting stuff for you guys. But let me give you the 360. Unbelievable? Well, it will be. And we have balconies. So, for example, if you smoke and you come visit me, you can absolutely not smoke on my balcony. You can just smoke somewhere else. Okay. There's no good position in this chair, so I will need to do something about that. But it will do for now. So like I said, I'm doing the next few months. I'm really looking forward to them. They are interesting. I'm doing 2 Iceland tours now in a few days. One in the north of Iceland, and then one on the south coast and to the southeast coast of Iceland. Basic stuff, but always interesting to do it, especially now in the beginning of winter. Have a little snow, and I'm hoping that we will have a lot of snow this winter, because last winter it rained. So yeah, I could use some snow this winter. Also, next December I'm going to Myanmar, doing a photo tour in Myanmar. And next January, I'm going to Bolivia with a photo tour in Bolivia. So, interesting time ahead. I've done those places before, but I've never done this, there. I've never done videos, and I'm really looking forward to that. I'm not sure how, what I'm gonna do exactly. I was thinking daily vlog from those trips. I might try to do that, but the only thing is I'm really busy in those trips. I have clients, I have to take care of clients, I have to shoot, and I have to shoot those videos, and to find time to edit and post this, and there's not always an internet connection. I'll just see what I can do. I will definitely do something like that. Maybe not every day, maybe every other day or something like that. Yeah, that sounds doable at least. Right now I have the same format for everything. My plan is to change that a little bit. I have those long shows, that 15-20 minutes. I've been doing that now. That's nice. It's a lot of work. But it is nice because I can explain, like last week I did the panorama and the parallax and the nodal point thing, and for somebody who hasn't heard this before, it requires some explanation. So you know, with those long episodes, I can do that. But I also want to do like shorter stuff and more maybe location based. Find a nice photography spot on each location and, you know, shoot and make some pictures and show you how I did those pictures. So for those of you who don't know, I am a photographer. You know, general, you know, whatever it's called, I'm a general photographer. I learned this in school. So I do more than landscape and travel photography. You know, I had studios, you know, throughout my career, and I do a lot of studio work. Haven't done really a lot the past 2 years because I've just been so busy with tours. But here I have very high ceiling, and here I can do basically everything I want. I have these huge modifiers if I get big people. This channel is about all things photography, so I will do more than landscape stuff. I will also show you how I do some of my studio work, because I find it very useful, at least for me, not to get stuck in one thing. I did not think that those muslin backgrounds would come back in style, but apparently everything goes around and around. And to be honest, it's not exactly, it looks good, you know. I might try that. But that's it for this week's video. Just a brief introduction of what I'm up to for the next few months. And I'm hoping you will, you know, join me, follow me on these adventures. And maybe someday you can join me on some of my photography trips. That would be nice. Until then, I hope you like my videos. If you like this one, check the others out also. You know, I have a few others. Like it, share it, spread the word. I'm trying to grow my audience, so I would appreciate every help I can get. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because subscribing without that isn't really, you know, you won't see the video on your wall or anything like that if I upload. Not likely if you have a lot of subscriptions. But if you hit the bell, you will get notified every time I upload. And by the way, I upload every Thursday. Thank you for watching this video, and goodbye.